If you have stress from your daily work and you are looking for your peace, watch this video until the end. I'm Lily, welcome to your channel. I'm a creative artist who loves crocheting because I get peace from this art and at the same time it brings me $1 income. You too can do it with very detailed and point by point, complete and trendy tutorials that I publish for you. You can benefit from these advantages as well. Experience it. Be sure that when you create something with your hands, you will feel good and useful. I always have this feeling with the bags I weave for myself, my friends, and my clients. With a like, I will be happy to be with you. If you want to weave beautiful and practical bags with my easy and smooth tutorials, subscribe me and ring. I publish bag weaving training for you 2 days a week.